This is a tough question for a question two, I think. We're told that t is equal to the sum of the integers from 2006 up to 2036. And we've not just asked for the sum, we're asked for the sum of all the prime factors of this. Now, there's a quick way you can do this question that I didn't spot, and it is to notice, well, actually, there are 31 numbers here. Because the last one's 36 and the first one's 6. So you subtract those and then you add 1. A bit like if you're doing 1 plus 36, how many numbers are there? You can clearly see there's 36. You can see that if you do 36 minus 1 plus 1, you'll get it as well. That would work here because now it's not there's 34 numbers, there's actually 35 numbers. And here's the next bit. Actually, if you look at the middle, it is 2021, the year this paper was made. And we can write 2006 as 2021 minus 15. And then the next one is going to be 2021 minus 14, all the way up to 2035, which is 2021 plus 14. And then the last one is 2021 plus 15. I don't think that's easy to see personally. I'm going to show the way I did it in a minute. It's just this is the way the solutions do it, and it is quite nice if you can spot that because the minus 15 and the plus 15 and all sorts are going to cancel. So I'm left with 31 because there's 31 numbers times by 2021 because all the minuses and pluses have cancelled. I've just got 31 lots of this 2021. Now here's the next bit. You need to be able to right, we don't just want to know the answer, we actually want to know the sum of the prime factors. So I don't want to multiply this. In fact, I want to find the prime factors. I already have 31 as a prime factor, so I need to find the prime factors of 2021. And going into this is a situation where you'd learn this beforehand because otherwise it's quite tough. It's actually 43 times 47. You don't want to waste valuable time trying to get that because that's going to take a while. Because you're probably gonna cycle through and try like 17 and 19 and all sorts, but it's going to be that. And so therefore the sum is just these added together. We can add the 43 and the 47 quickly to get 90. So 90 plus 31 is then going to be 121. That's the answer. Now let me talk about how I did it. I went down the wrong path. First of all, I looked at sort of just a general formula for triangle numbers, and that it just got messy. So I said, right, I've got my 2006. It's basically an equivalent approach. And I used a sort of similar method to what you would use when you're proving the formula for triangle numbers. And that is to spot that we can pair things up. These two added together give 4042. But these two added together also give 4042. And that will continue to work because I'm basically adding one and I'm minusing one. So it's going to stay the same. And so actually, I've got 31 numbers and they times by 4042. But how many pairs do I actually have? Well, it's 31 divided by 2. It's actually an odd number in this case, but the middle one itself is going to be 2021, so it doesn't really matter. But this is similar to how you prove the formula for triangle numbers. So 31 lots of 4042, but I've double counted, so I now need to divide by 2. That's the way to think about it. And that will give 31 times 2021. And now we're back in the same place that I showed here. So I quite like this. Because there's but having said that, you have to maybe have seen this before to think of it like that as well. Okay, good.